amigos, welcome back to my channel. It's Chicha Chaitanya here. So today another Spanish lesson. So, ¿cómo estás? Wondering what I'm saying? That means how are you in Spanish? What is its response? Estoy bien, which means I am good. So before we even got onto the session, we learned two new phrases. Those are ¿cómo estás? And estoy bien. Estoy bien is its response and ¿cómo estás? Is how you ask. So today we all know that in my previous video I was taking letters. So just to change it up, liven it up, I decided to take Spanish phrases. So it will be alternate, like one day it will be Spanish, then it will be letter, but for now we're going to take this, okay? So how are you guys? Is there any doubt in following the Spanish? Is there any doubt in the letters C and G? If so, please comment down below. I will be sure to answer. So let's begin. So today we are learning simple beginner phrases like hola, which means hello. Hola amigos, like how I say, it means hello friends. Gracias, which means thank you. Like whenever somebody did a favor to you, you say gracias. De nada, welcome. If somebody says gracias to you, you say de nada, which means welcome. This is another type of welcome. Bienvenidos. Now this is big, but it's easy. Bienvenidos. It means welcome, like welcome to our house, that sort of welcome. Not like de nada when you say somebody says thank you. That it's not that type of welcome. So it's like bienvenidos, you say when somebody comes to your house. Yo soy, I am. Now if you want to introduce yourself, like you say I am Chaitanya. Yo soy Chaitanya. So there's different type, like me llamo Chaitanya. I am Chaitanya. The same thing, you can choose anything when you introduce. Bien or muy bien. Bien means good, muy bien means I am good. Okay, this is the same thing. Now, igualmente, which means same here. Igualmente, igualmente. It's a big word, but if you keep pronouncing, it's simple. Igualmente, which means same here. So if somebody asks, how are you, or if they tell you something, you'll say, same thing, say igualmente. Next, soy de, which means I am from. So if you want to describe which country or which city or wherever you are from, you say soy de. Like example, soy de Kerala. That's how it pronounced in Spanish, I found out. Soy de Kerala. Or soy de España, which means Spain. Soy de España, which means I am from Spain. Okay? Salud. So when you sneeze, achoo, somebody says bless you, right? So in Spanish you say salud. Achoo, salud. Next we have y tú, which means and you, like if you ask, you say something and then and you say y tú. And disculpe, which means excuse me, or con permiso, that's also another word. Con permiso, which means excuse me, or you could use disculpe, any word. I choose disculpe, it's simple for you, but you can choose any word. Then we have perdón, which means sorry. This word can be used in different types. Like if you didn't hear something clear, you say perdón, sorry, I didn't hear. Or you could say if you accidentally hurt somebody, you say perdón, sorry. Or if you came late to class, you say to the teacher, perdón. Okay? So next we have Spanish words. So let's begin. Fácil, it means easy. For example, lavar los platos is fácil. It means washing dishes is very easy. Difícil, which means difficult. It says, like example, subir escaleras es difícil. It means climbing stairs is difficult. Then we have grande, which means large. Este edificio es grande, which means this building is very large. We have pequeño, which means small. Es casa es pequeña, which means this house is small. So joven, it means young. Este chico es joven. It means this boy is very young. Viejo, it means old. Ella es viejo, which means she is old. Nuevo, which means new. Este vestido es nuevo, which means this dress is new. Bueno, which means good. Es foto es bueno, which means this photo is good. Malo, which means bad. Este clima muy malo, which means this weather is very bad. Poco, it means a little bit. So poco, it means a little bit. La comida es poco. It means the food here is very little. Then we have mucho, it means much. No sé mucho, it means I don't know very much. Claro means clear. Esto no está claro. It means this part isn't clear. Oscuro, it means dark. Es demasiado es oscuro. It means it is dark in here. Then importante, it means important. For example, las vocales, muy importante en español. It means the vowels in Spanish are very important. I told you in my Spanish vowels video. Libre, it means free. Yo soy libre hoy, which means I am free today. Then we have alto, high. Es montaña is alto. It means this mountain is very high. So bajo, it means low. Example, es muy bajo. It means it is very low. So let's go over these words once again. Fácil, which means easy. Difícil, which means difficult. Grande, which means large. Pequeño, which means small. Joven, which means young. Viejo, which means old. Nuevo, which means new. Bueno, which means good. Malo, which means bad. Poco, which means a little bit. Mucho, much. Claro, clear. Oscuro, dark. Importante, which means important. Libre, which means free. Alto, which means high. And last one, bajo, which means low. So we are done with these words today. Next video we'll take more phrases and more words, and these are very good for vocabulary. Keep them in mind so you can use them for sentences. So until next time, adios.